announcing the new standard by which all ammunition will be judged, Superformance ammunition from Hornady. Velocity increases of 100 to 200 feet per second from every hunting cartridge in every gun. Industry-leading accuracy and no increases in felt recoil are all realized with Superformance ammunition.
It's across the board, not just test barrel catalog ballistics, but in any rifle you want to put it in, you're going to get 100 to 200 foot per second higher velocities than any other standard ammunition currently available.
Convention and established norms are now challenged. The bar has been raised.
We're here at the range at Paza Park with Steve Hornady. Now, Steve, your company has done some magnificent things with bullets and ammunition over the last, I don't know, quite a few years, but now this may be your most significant development.
Craig, it very well may be. What we have here is a whole new standard in ammunition performance. We have been able to create essentially an entire new category of propellants for small arms and are able to incorporate this virtually across the entire line of our hunting ammunition. We're going to be able to raise the velocity of almost every load you can think of or that you have ever used by somewhere between 100 and 200 feet per second. And I don't care whether you're talking about a 300 mag or a 243 or anything in between.
This is 165 grain 30-06, 5-shot string. The low was 3,009 feet per second. The high was 3,016 feet per second. And of course, for my whole life, the standard spec for 165 grain 30-06 has been 2,800 feet per second. So that's 200 feet per second plus over what we've been used to getting. Now that is super performance.
Current expectations for ammunition performance have been stagnant for quite some time. They were primarily derived back in the 1930s and 1940s based around the IMR line of propellants. Performance improvements pretty much came as a brute force approach. Let's take a real big cartridge case, put a whole lot of slow powder in it to try and drive a bullet faster. The drawbacks there were very heavy recoil, a lot of times very unacceptable accuracy. We've now solved that problem with Superformance. This is now a very, very elegant and very scientifically derived propellant that is extremely efficient and now will give you high performance in any existing cartridge without excessive recoil and without compromises in accuracy or reliability.
Even in short-barreled rifles, Superformance is able to maintain increased velocity.
Superformance ammunition, even in short-barreled rifles, will provide much higher levels of performance than standard ammunition. We took a 300 Win Mag test barrel and progressively cut an inch off of this 24-inch barrel until we got down to a 20-inch barrel. We found that with each inch of barrel we cut off, we only lost 18 feet per second per inch. Typically, a 300 Win Mag type cartridge would be giving up anywhere from 40 to 50 foot per second per inch. We found in other calibers, such as 308s, 30-06s, we were only giving up on the order of 13 to 15 foot per second per inch. Superformance will maintain a very high level of performance, even in shorter barreled rifles.
In the past, achieving SAAMI specification velocity levels with solid monometal bullets has been difficult.
During the course of our testing, we found that other commercial ammunition in monometal bullets was either having problems achieving SAAMI velocities or was achieving SAAMI velocities with rather high pressures. Superformance ammunition loaded with our monometal GMX bullets is achieving substantially higher velocities than any other monometal bullet on the market today, and it is doing it at normal pressures.
Superformance ammunition is tested across a wide range of temperatures in the Hornady Ballistics Lab.
These propellants produce extremely stable temperature performance. We have tested these propellants at -20 degrees and up to 140 degrees, and we get virtually the same performance no matter what the temperature is.
Hunters worldwide will benefit from the extended range and flatter trajectory provided by Superformance. Frank Miniter used Superformance on a mule deer antelope combo hunt in Wyoming with Cold Creek Outfitters. Superformance ammunition is loaded in most traditional hunting cartridge offerings, topped with either an SST or the new GMX bullet. More information about specific loads and bullet weights can be obtained by visiting the Hornady website. Increased speed, accuracy, and lethality. Superformance ammunition, the new standard by which all ammunition will be judged. Sacrifice nothing, gain everything. It really is rocket science.